Electric car batteries are pivotal in the pursuit of a sustainable, fossil-free future. As the heart of an electric vehicle, they store the electrical energy necessary to power the car. Unlike traditional cars that run on internal combustion engines, electric cars utilize these batteries for mobility, thereby eliminating the need for gasoline. Lithium-ion batteries, the most common type used in today's electric vehicles, offer high energy density and longer lifespans compared to older battery types. However, they also present unique challenges and safety risks, which need to be managed effectively. By understanding these elements, one can better appreciate the revolutionary impact of electric vehicles on global transportation. Understanding the components of electric car batteries, particularly lithium-ion batteries, is essential for grasping their functionality and safety. A typical lithium-ion battery consists of cathodes, anodes, electrolytes, separators, and a sophisticated battery management system. Cathodes, usually made from lithium mixed with other metals like nickel, manganese, or cobalt, serve as the source of lithium ions. The electrolyte, a lithium salt solution, facilitates this movement of ions, while separators prevent physical contact between the cathode and anode, averting short circuits and potential fires. The battery management system is arguably the brain of the battery pack. Advances in BMS technology have significantly enhanced the safety and efficiency of these batteries over the years. Overheating is one of the most common causes of battery malfunctions, which makes effective cooling systems indispensable in electric vehicles. Electric car batteries are equipped with several safety features designed to mitigate risks and enhance reliability. One of the most important features is the aforementioned battery management system, which continuously monitors and controls the battery's environment and operational parameters.
Another significant safety feature is the use of flame-retardant materials within the battery casing and the cells themselves. Furthermore, most electric vehicles incorporate robust physical barriers around the battery pack, protecting it from mechanical impacts during accidents.
Venting mechanisms are also an integral part of electric car battery safety. Manufacturers also conduct rigorous testing on electric car batteries to ensure their safety before they are installed in vehicles. The development and implementation of industry-wide safety standards have been crucial in enhancing the safety of electric car batteries. Organizations such as the International Electrotechnical Commission and the Society of Automotive Engineers have established guidelines that manufacturers must follow.
For instance, the SAE standards mandate specific requirements for thermal management systems, ensuring that batteries operate within safe temperature limits. Similarly, the IEC sets forth protocols for electrical safety, testing how batteries respond to short circuits, high temperatures, and physical impacts.
Certification processes are also part of these standards. Batteries must pass certain tests to be certified for use in vehicles. These tests assess the battery's ability to withstand conditions like extreme temperatures, collisions, and penetration by foreign objects. Furthermore, these standards are continually revised and updated in response to new research and technological advancements. By adhering to strict safety standards, the electric vehicle industry aims to reduce the risks associated with battery technology. Despite the advancements in safety features and industry standards, several misconceptions about electric car batteries persist among the public.
One of the most common concerns is the risk of electric vehicles catching fire. While it is true that lithium-ion batteries can catch fire, the incidence of such events is actually quite low compared to the number of electric vehicles on the road.
Many believe that electric car batteries are inherently more dangerous than their gasoline counterparts. However, this is not supported by data.
In contrast, electric car batteries are designed with multiple safety layers to prevent such occurrences, making them generally safer in terms of fire risk.
Another widespread concern is about the environmental impact of manufacturing and disposing of electric car batteries.
Modern lithium-ion batteries are designed to last for many years and can typically support hundreds of thousands of miles of driving before needing a replacement.
By addressing these misconceptions and providing clear, factual information, the electric vehicle industry can help foster a more informed and receptive consumer base. Comparing the risk of fires in electric cars versus gasoline cars is crucial for understanding vehicle safety. Electric vehicles are perceived as more prone to fires due to their batteries. However, data shows electric vehicles are less likely to catch fire than gasoline vehicles. Gasoline cars involve burning highly flammable fuel, carrying a risk of fire. Electric cars rely on battery power, which does not involve combustion. Studies indicate the incidence of fire in electric vehicles is significantly lower. Overall, electric vehicles are safer regarding the likelihood and severity of fires. To further understand the safety of electric car batteries, analyzing real-world incident data is imperative. This data provides a factual basis to evaluate the actual risks associated with electric vehicles, particularly in the context of battery fires. Agencies like the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and various insurance research organizations regularly publish reports on vehicle safety, including statistics on electric vehicle incidents. One notable finding from these reports is that electric vehicles display a lower rate of incident per vehicle mile traveled compared to conventional gasoline vehicles. This includes lower rates of collisions, fires, and major mechanical failures. Another important aspect of real-world data is the response of electric vehicles to common accident scenarios. Data from crash tests shows that the incidence of battery damage leading to fire or other hazardous outcomes is exceedingly rare. This empirical evidence supports the safety claims made by manufacturers and underscores the reliability of electric vehicles. Research and development in battery technology are dynamic fields, continuously pushing the boundaries of what's possible with electric car batteries.
One area of focus is thermal management. Overheating is a major concern for battery safety, and researchers are developing more advanced cooling systems and materials that can more effectively manage heat generation during battery operation.
Another significant area of research is in the development of new electrode materials. Traditional lithium-ion batteries use materials like cobalt and nickel, which are not only expensive but also pose environmental and ethical concerns.
Battery chemistry is also undergoing revolutionary changes. Solid-state batteries, which replace the liquid electrolyte with a solid, are one such innovation.
Furthermore, the integration of battery technology with renewable energy sources is a growing area of interest. This includes research on how electric car batteries can be charged using solar or wind power, reducing the reliance on non-renewable energy sources and enhancing the overall environmental friendliness of electric vehicles. The advent of solid-state batteries represents a potential quantum leap in electric car battery technology. These batteries differ from traditional lithium-ion batteries in that they use a solid electrolyte instead of a liquid.
Solid-state batteries are less prone to catching fire because they do not contain flammable liquid electrolytes.
Companies and research institutions around the world are investing heavily in the development of solid-state technology. Industry experts predict that solid-state batteries could begin to replace lithium-ion batteries in electric vehicles within the next decade.
The transition to solid-state batteries could also have significant environmental impacts.
As research continues and these batteries become closer to market readiness, they could revolutionize the electric vehicle industry. Not only would they make electric cars safer, but they would also make them more efficient and environmentally friendly, further accelerating the shift away from fossil fuel-dependent transportation. Beyond solid-state batteries, the exploration of new materials and innovative technologies continues to drive progress in the electric vehicle sector.
Graphene, a form of carbon that is both exceptionally strong and lightweight, is one material that holds significant promise for battery technology.
Another exciting area of innovation is in the integration of battery technology with artificial intelligence. AI can optimize battery usage and management in real time, extending battery life and enhancing safety.
Biodegradable and eco-friendly battery components are also under development. These materials aim to reduce the environmental impact of batteries not just during their use, but also at the end of their life cycle.
These innovations are part of a broader move towards more sustainable and efficient electric vehicle technologies. As these new materials and technologies continue to be developed and refined, they promise to make electric cars even safer, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly. As we look to the future, the safety of electric car batteries remains a central concern.
The shift towards electric vehicles is about adopting new technology and promoting a sustainable environment.
Advancements and debunking misconceptions are essential for increasing consumer confidence.
Each breakthrough and safety improvement brings us closer to the full potential of electric vehicles.
The road ahead is bright, with electric vehicle batteries shaping an exciting future. The era of electric vehicles is here, promising to be transformative and exhilarating.